My portfolio is up almost $6,000 just this week. We're officially almost $9,000 away from crossing the very infamous 100K mark. Today, December 5th, and this is the weekly portfolio breakdown. What is up, what is down, and what's going on. So year to date, I'm up 72%, almost $38,000 in gain. What really caused this portfolio to spike was the fact that Google absolutely destroyed the narrative that AI would take over search. Because of that, Google went from being a $180 stock all the way today being a $320 stock. Now, I had a position in Google that I started at 165 of 200 share, which has given me a 95% return and has accumulated for majority of the gain year to date, as you can see from here. But recently, we were flatlined at almost $85,000. What has caused the next $7,000 to boost up is UiPath. As you can see, this week, just this week's return is $4,500. This surpassed the portfolio beyond $90,000. What has happened with this company is they're finally becoming profitable. The growth concerns were the biggest leading factor why this company got smashed. But now people are realizing that growth in the near future will start to reaccelerate while they're focusing on profitability. Now they reported 2 consecutive quarters of profitability. They had a PE of almost 400 to today having a PE of almost 30, which is incredible. In the future, in 2026, I expect Amazon and Meta to be a huge contributing factor to the gains of this portfolio, and also UiPath. I am expecting Google to be a little flat in 2026. That is one of the reasons why I'll be offloading a lot of these stocks before the start of 2026. And some of my positions have been flat year to date, and this is because of the AI narrative. As you can see, Adobe, Salesforce, and ServiceNow all have been flat year to date. And this is because many people believe that enterprise software will be eaten up by chatbots like OpenAI and Gemini. My thesis is exactly the opposite. I think these chatbots will help these companies to reach heights they never thought of. You can just tell by the last 3 earnings calls, their profitability went up, their revenues went up, and they're starting to re-accelerate revenue growth. If you want to put a price behind a thesis, go check out CommonInvestor.net. This is one of the reasons why I am so bullish on Adobe, even though I'm down 26% year to date and overall, because when I plugged in the numbers for my own thesis for Adobe, I was easily getting a 2x on a base case and a 3x on a bull case. Not only that, I was in a similar situation with Google and it played out exactly, and this gave me the confidence to stick with the position, even though after I bought Google at 165 it plummeted to 150, and today I have amazing gains. Again, that's CommonInvestor.net, world's greatest website to put a price behind a thesis. And if you want access to all of these exclusives, please consider subscribing to my Patreon.